Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for December the 8th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, an analysis suggests that men treated with androgen deprivation therapy for prostate cancer have an increased risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. The study found men given ADT had an 88% higher risk of being diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease in the next 3 years versus those who didn't receive the treatment. Also featured, Pfizer and BioAtla entered a deal potentially worth more than $1 billion to develop a new class of antibody therapeutics for the treatment of cancer. The companies plan to use BioAtla's conditionally active biologic platform in combination with Pfizer's antibody-drug conjugate payloads. In other news, the China Food and Drug Administration rejected applications for 13 new drugs, citing false or incomplete trial data. As part of stricter regulation, the agency also rejected filings by 8 Chinese companies for inadequate trial data related to generic drugs. In addition, a study showed that Novartis' proposed biosimilar was equivalent and non-inferior to Amgen's Neulasta for the prevention of neutropenia in patients with breast cancer. The FDA recently accepted an application seeking approval under the agency's 351(k) pathway for Novartis' Neulasta biosimilar. And finally, TherapeuticsMD's TX-004HR met the main goals of a pivotal late-stage study for the treatment of moderate to severe dyspareunia. CEO Robert Finizio said, "We look forward to submitting a new drug application to the FDA as soon as the first half of 2016. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.